The Táin Bó Cuailgne. One day, Queen Maeve and her husband Alal decided to compare their wealth. They gathered all of their precious belongings and laid them out on the table. "We have exactly the same amount of wealth," Maeve exclaimed. "You have forgotten one thing," said Alal triumphantly. "You forgot about my bull on Fanvanach." Maeve had indeed forgotten about an Fanvanach. She was very disappointed. Maeve got more and more annoyed about the fact that Alal had more wealth than she did. She wondered what she could do about it, until eventually she came up with a plan. "I know what I will do. I will borrow Dora's bull on Táin Bó Cuailgne, and we will be even." She set off immediately and explained the situation to Dora. "Can I borrow on Táin Bó Cuailgne?" she asked. "I am sympathetic, but I'm afraid I can't lend you my bull. What if you don't bring him back?" Dora replied. Maeve was furious. "You will regret this," she shouted as she left. When Maeve returned home, she told her army to prepare for war. "I will get that bull and bring him home with me," she said. Maeve and her army headed north towards Doida's house. Doida asked for help from the warriors of Ulster. They agreed to help him. Unfortunately, they were put under a spell and could not fight. The only man who could fight was Cuchulainn. He decided to fight by himself. Cuchulainn fought every warrior individually. After each fight, the next warrior stepped forward to fight Cuchulainn. Eventually, his foster brother had to fight him. They were both very sad, but had to fight. Ferdia was devastated when he mortally wounded Cuchulainn. He fell to the ground when he saw a crow land on Cuchulainn's shoulder, because he knew then that Cuchulainn was dead. Maeve and her army marched on Doida's house. They demanded he give her the bull. "You should have given me the bull when I asked to borrow it. Now I am going to take it and bring it back to Connacht, and you will never see it again," Maeve said as she turned to leave. An Táin Bó Cuailgne was captured and led back to Connacht. Maeve ordered her men to put him in the field next to an Fanvanach. Maeve and Alal sat looking out the window at the bulls. "Mine is better than yours," said Maeve. "Mine is better than yours," said Alal. Eventually they decided on a way they could see who had the better bull. The bulls would fight each other. The bulls fought and fought, until eventually an Táin Bó Cuailgne killed an Fanvanach. An Táin Bó Cuailgne was mortally wounded in the fight and died shortly afterwards.